The Renault Austral emerges as a compact crossover SUV designed and produced by Renault. Unveiled in March 2022, it takes over from its predecessor, the Kadjar, and is constructed upon the third-generation CMF-CD platform, highlighting the Austral's features. The updated retro-inspired logo is prominently displayed, complemented by LED lights shaped in Renault's recognizable C-shaped pattern. The interior cabin takes on a novel approach, forming a fully digital L design that envelops the driver for an immersive experience. Notably, an extended LED strip bridges the logo on both sides of the rear tailgate. Embracing Renault's fresh design concept known as sensual tech, the Austral showcases an innovative aesthetic. Powering the Austral is Renault's advanced hybrid system, E-Tech, which combines a 1.2-liter petrol engine linked to a straightforward 4-speed gearbox with an electric motor equipped with its own dual gears. These components offer 15 distinct drive permutations, whether used together or separately. The vehicle consistently initiates operation in electric mode due to the absence of a clutch, a contributing factor to its simplified, lightweight, and compact design. Another smaller motor is responsible for starting the engine and synchronizing gear shifts. In contrast to smaller Renault models employing a 280-volt hybrid configuration paired with a basic 4-cylinder engine, the Austral adopts a more robust setup. Operating at 400 volts and integrating a 3-cylinder turbocharged engine, it delivers enhanced power, torque, and reduced noise. This upgrade elevates the driving experience, yielding a commendable 200 combined horsepower and a potential fuel efficiency of up to 60.1 miles per gallon. Of notable significance, especially for corporate use, is the Austral's eco-friendly profile. All variants, even those featuring 20-inch wheels and additional weight from 4-wheel steering, maintain CO2 emissions below 110 grams per kilometer. The Austral's pricing commences at £34,695, offering a choice among 3 distinct trim levels. For a comprehensive overview, refer to the buying section.